why should you go for data science? You know, the data is like huge, right? You gather information and there's like a lot of information online, right? So where does all this information go? Like, where is it being stored, or how is it being extracted? All combines data science. So basically, it's like the age of information, right? So how do you actually segregate them? How do you statistically analyze them? So that is what data science comprises of. So have you come across something called Internet Minute? Okay, this is something where your statistical data is being analyzed. Okay, so suppose you know YouTube, right? So there's like 30 hours of videos is being uploaded each minute, like each minute, all right? It's like 60 seconds, like 30 hours of video is being uploaded. And one more thing is it like 1.3 million views, okay? It's like a huge number. Numbers do not lie, right? The second thing, the Google, as we know, like there's like 2+ million search queries, right? So how many people do you think are sitting in front of their laptop or any device and just doing this? And look at the Facebook, they're like 277,000 logins in a minute and like 6 million Facebook views. So how is this all happening, and from where is the statistics, or from where is the analysis being predicted? It's just all data science. All right. So one other reason could be like priority for organization and core of decision making. So what do you mean by priority for organization? So why is organizations depending upon data scientists? Okay, so today's Google, as we see, wouldn't have been Google without data science. Okay, so all the data which we gather from Google or from any sites like Yahoo, Bing, everything depends upon data science. Also, look at the second image below, that is in Netflix. I know most of them would have come across, or even Amazon Prime. When you actually look through a movie, like you type a movie, something like maybe Fast and Furious or something like that. So depending upon that selection of the movies, the next time you log in, you get the same kind of wish movies, like the same similar movies you get. Like depending upon your wish or depending upon your interest, the movies are recommended. So how is this happening? This depends upon AI, ML, and data science. So there's certain kind of algorithms where this Google or kind of Netflix or Amazon follows to make use of all these. Okay. So the average salary of data scientist could be like more than 8 lakhs. It's just rough figure.